Hello, welcome back to my channel, beauties. Today I'm going to be doing a simple look, and I'm starting off with the Beauty 360 facial oil. I'm priming my face with the Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Smooth. Now I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics flathead brush to blend out my foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me in 338. I'm brushing through my brows, and then I'll be using the Colourpop Boss Brow Gel in the dark brown color. My brows are looking very harsh today, so please disregard them. Now I'm using my Makeup Revolution concealer. This is a full coverage concealer, and it just conceals everything. I think that I get mostly a medium to full coverage out of this concealer, but you can definitely build it up to your desire. I'm going in with a concealer brush to blend out my concealer. I find that this brush does give me more of a full coverage versus a beauty blender. Now I'm going in with the same brush that I use for foundation, just to blend out everything to make sure there's no harsh lines. I'm going in with the Colourpop Banana Setting Powder, and I'm just setting this underneath my eyes, a little bit on my forehead. I'm also setting that concealer that I put on the eyelid with this powder to get it ready for the shadows that we're going to be putting on. I'm taking the Ulta Beauty foundation stick. This is in neutral dark, and I'm using this as my contour today. This is only half a shade darker than my actual skin tone, but I like this shade because it gives me more of a natural look versus having 2 to 3 shades darker. But it just depends on the look that I'm going for today. I just wanted to do a little bit more natural, so that's what I used. Now I'm taking whatever product I have left on my brush, and I'm just contouring my nose. Now I am going in with that same banana shade, and I'm just baking very lightly underneath that contour. I personally do not like to bake. I feel like it's drying, but it's also necessary to clean up the contour and so that my under eyes do not crease. I'm taking Puder in Pukey, and I'm putting this on my lid. This is going to be my transition color. I'm just mixing the two colors and then putting it all over. Now in my crease, I'm going in with Mocha. I'm going in with the Coastal Scents. This is the color Bright Tangerine. I really like this color. It's a great transition color, and it pairs well with Mocha from the Jaclyn Hill palette. In that same Coastal Scents little sample, I am using Deep Cantaloupe. This sample actually came with the products that I purchased from Coastal Scents. I've had this for many years and I really like the colors. I love doing like a bright orange with a yellow or the gold and just using the entire palette. But today I am just using the two colors of the bright tangerine and Deep Cantaloupe. Now I'm taking my brush and I do circular and windshield wiper motions just to blend everything out so that there's no harsh lines. As you can see, the circular motions I'm doing at the end, and for the windshield wiper motions I'm doing on the entire lid. I find that doing the circular motions actually help with distributing the product so that it's blended better. And now I'm just going in my outer and inner waterline with that bright tangerine color. I'm using my Garnier SkinActive Rose Water and putting this all over the face just to set the powders. And now I'm adding more powder on my face, but I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me. I like this because it adds more color versus the banana powder, which kind of washes me out. So this powder is just bringing the color back. I'm using the e.l.f. lash curler and I got this at CVS for like $1 or $2 and it works pretty well. I won't be using lashes today, so I'll use this instead. I'm going in with my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. This is the only mascara that I use and it is my holy grail. I'm so happy I found this mascara because I went many years of trying to search for a mascara that I did not have an allergic reaction to. I'm using the BH Cosmetic Nude blush palette and just smiling a little bit and putting this on the apples of my cheeks. I'm going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette and using the color In Light as my highlighter. I'm using this on my nose and the tip of my nose and then on my cheeks. Okay, now that it looks like the sun has set on my cheeks, we're going to go into the lips. Now I'm going into the Colourpop Lippie pencil. Wow. And this is the color Wild Nothing. And I'm just lining my lips and then I'm filling them in. I'm going in with the Ellarie and Colourpop collab. And this is the Ultra Gloss and Netta. This is the final look, beauties, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.